Want to level up your Tableau dashboards from drab to fab? First, open your Tableau workbook and navigate to the dashboard where you want to add the image. On the left pane, under Objects, you'll find the image object. Drag and drop this object onto your dashboard. A dialog box will pop up asking you to choose your image file. Click Choose Image. This will open your file directory. Locate the image you want to use. It could be a logo, an illustration, or any supporting visual and select it, then click Open. Your image is now on the dashboard. Use the sizing handles around the image to adjust its size and position. Click and drag the image to place it exactly where you want it. For more precise control, you can adjust the image's size and position using the Layout tab on the left panel. Experiment with settings like fixed height or width to fine-tune the appearance. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Tableau dashboard. Using images enhances visual appeal and provides valuable context, making your data stories even more engaging. Be sure to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.